Have you ever been so caught up in doing something that hours felt like minutes and you could not believe how fast time flew by? Well, then you have experienced the state of flow. This is a positive mental state of being where we are completely absorbed and focused on an activity. Not only are we more productive and engaged in this state, experts say that we are at our happiest when fully absorbed in an activity that challenges us. Just understanding the state of flow can be a powerful tool to engage both educators and students. The easiest way to develop an understanding of this theory is to look at Mihai Csikszentmihalyi's flow state chart. As you can see, this chart is divided into 8 areas of engagement. Then, along the x-axis, it measures the skill level, and along the y-axis, it measures the challenge level. Using this chart, you'll see that to enter a state of flow, both the challenge and skill level will be high. This is when you're most engaged. Conversely, you'll see that if the skill and challenge level are low, you'll experience apathy and boredom. It is also important to point out that if the challenge level is too high and the skill level is low, we experience anxiety and stress. Taking the time to reflect on the level of challenge and skill that an activity presents allows you to understand how you're feeling and allows you to make adjustments to help make that task more engaging and enjoyable. Whether you're doing this to increase your own engagement or using it to understand the engagement of your students, it can be powerful to know this information. There are key aspects of building more flow into our lives and our teaching. The activities that we engage in must be intrinsically motivated and something we are passionate about. We must set goals based on the level of challenge. We must refine our skills to help us achieve our goals. We must use feedback to adjust these goals. As skill increases, we must increase the challenge as well. We need to avoid distractions, and we need to focus on the process and not the product. These are all great things to consider when setting up assignments for students and really lend themselves nicely to more inquiry-based teaching such as project-based learning. By having students engage in work that is meaningful to them and giving them the autonomy to design their own learning experiences, we are more likely to increase their engagement and the potential that they'll be able to experience flow at school. I love the idea of students exploring their passions through a passion portfolio. This is where they can sketch, write, plan, investigate, and document their learning about a topic or topics that they are passionate about. Having students working on a passion portfolio throughout the year is the perfect segue to doing passion projects or genius hour in the classroom. By giving students an opportunity to invest in their passions at school, it helps us learn more about their interests and gives us insights into how they like to learn. Not only that, we can teach them the importance of increasing the challenge as their skill level increases. This helps to keep them focused, engaged, and looking forward to coming to school each day. There is so much to be gained by having a passion project on the go for both educators and students. Infusing more flow into your school life is a great way to invest in your passions and develop signature skills that you are proud of and love to use. Thank you for joining us, and remember to strive for happiness in education. You deserve it.